We had an exciting webinar on Sign Manufacturing Day called Open Your Mind to a Career in Signs, where we highlighted panelists that are skilled in the sign and graphics industry. Here are a few highlights from this event.
We work with a very wide varieties of industries. We work with small companies, large companies. Every day is a different day with a different project, and it's always fun to sit down and create new things.
And it's really cool just being able to communicate with customers and be like, okay, that is so cool. Have you thought about maybe trying this new way? And trying to expand their ideas and how they can communicate their business.
And in my field and in our center, like, I get to design it, actually make the signs, and sometimes I install. So it's like I get to be in and out of the office too, meeting new clients, sharing ideas.
I love what we do because we are creative problem solvers. We are finding solutions to our clients' problems and their needs, and helping them share their message, who they are with the world, is really exciting.
It's a very rewarding industry. It's a creative industry. There's an old saying, a business with no sign is a sign of no business. So everybody needs a sign.